Because we were created with intelligence, we were created as spirit, and therefore, the karma of having been created in itself gifts us with an intellect and a spiritual will, and we then follow that spiritual will in blind faith and trust in truth. So the pathway of truth is what we teach. Devotional non-duality is the way to God, avoiding the intellect and formal religion, etc., to follow through the pristine purity of consciousness itself to where it leads us. Where it leads us. That takes courage and takes fortitude, takes inspiration, takes information from that which has traversed that pathway. And if one falters, then I suggest the 91st Psalm. I love the 91st Psalm, and you only need the one Psalm in your life, the 91st Psalm. And the Psalm also says that the Lord is one's fortress, and that his strength is his truth. So the pathway of truth then does not violate old spiritual tradition either, but merely puts it into operation. Anybody who falters, I got a couple of suggestions along the way. When you're depressed, you get a copy of the military tattoo, which was presented in Scotland once a year, or you watch River Dance. If you're still depressed after watching River Dance or watching the Edinburgh Castle tattoo, you do need a psychiatrist. Because one's soul is somehow impaired. There must be something obstructing it. Yeah. So the way to God then is through the joy of the present. And what is the joy of the present? The joy of the present is the full experience of the presence of the source of one's creation. Consequently, one needs nothing outside oneself. There's nothing out there that is needed. The world insists that you eat things and do all that kind of thing, but that's their problem. Within yourself, you really don't need anything at all. Being complete and total. So that gets rid of wantingness, desiringness, greed, and takes you out of the solar plexus right away.